Measure S, approved by Orange Unified School District voters in 2016, authorized $288 million through a general obligation bond measure to modernize and construct facilities at our 4 comprehensive high schools. While the targeted tax rate is $29 per 100,000 of assessed valuation, due to the prudent financial planning and increased overall property values, residents in OUSD boundaries were taxed only $25.33 per $100,000 of the assessed property value on their 2023-2024 property taxes. According to district records, this equals a total taxpayer savings of $26,799,192 since 2017.
Thanks to the Phase 1 projects of Measure S, Orange Unified School District students and teachers now benefit from 71 state-of-the-art classrooms, totaling over 200,000 square feet of modern teaching and learning space across cutting-edge science centers at Canyon, Modena, Orange, and Villa Park High Schools. We are now well into Phase 2 of our Measure S projects, which will provide additional campus improvements specific to each school site's needs. I'd like to share our most recent updates. At Canyon High School, the 400 building project is complete with 13 classrooms and other features such as modernized student restrooms and a speech classroom. Also, as part of these upgrades, 16 portable classrooms were removed from the campus. We are excited to welcome Canyon High School students into the beautifully renovated classrooms on the first day of school.
I think the investment on Measure S has made students so much more excited to come to school. Canyon's such a great school, and it's so cool to see everything being renovated. It really makes me excited to come here.
I did not think it was going to look like this at all. I really like the color that they have, and looking inside the classrooms, it's really big, and I think it's going to be really cool.
I think the new space is really awesome. It just makes our school feel more modern and new.
At Modena High School, the renovation of the 800 building has been completed, and the state-of-the-art facility that includes specialized spaces thoughtfully designed to inspire creativity, innovation, and collaboration officially opened for teacher and students' use last spring. We are also thrilled to announce that we are making great progress with the interior overhaul of the 400 and 500 classroom buildings. The renovation, which began during spring break 2024, is expected to be completed at the end of the year. At Orange High School, the new 2-story classroom and student services building is receiving its final touches in preparation for its opening at the start of the upcoming school year. This impressive 26,000 square foot facility features a welcoming and vibrant lobby and reception area, administration offices, counselor offices, a testing room, and 6 large new classrooms, among other key spaces. Adjacent to the building is the expansive new interior courtyard, in addition to the new entry plaza located at the intersection of Schaefer and Walnut Avenue. Both feature natural landscaping, strategically placed trees, and stylish concrete seating, creating campus spaces that inspire community interaction and provide opportunities for student gatherings. At Villa Park High School, we are making significant progress across several key areas. Over in the new classroom building 500, we've made great strides. We've connected the power to the main switchgear to energize the building, and our low voltage work is continuing smoothly. On the exterior, we've installed window glazing on all sides of the building. Inside, the restroom upgrades are coming along nicely, with epoxy floors, tile, and fixtures already installed. In the classrooms, focus work included the installation of marker boards, casework, and lighting to tie everything together. As for the 100-200 building, the framing for the elevator roof and elevator room has been successfully completed, setting the stage for the installation of the new elevator, which is currently underway. The new stairs located on the south side of the building are in progress. These are vital milestones as we move closer to the completion of this exciting modernization portion of the project. We remain on track for the anticipated opening in fall 2024, and we look forward to unveiling these enhanced spaces. These beautiful modern facilities, coupled with our innovative programs and student opportunities, are a testament to the collective vision and dedication of our community.
A special thank you to our Board of Education, the CARES Committee, and the entire OUSD community for your support of Measure S and the facility improvements made possible because of it.